Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating myself, showing you guys how to get a really cute and easy style on a wig that doesn't have much parting space. This is a 22-inch lace front wig, and I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I know how frustrating it is when you only have a minimal parting space, but that's when the creativity comes into play. You have to put your thinking cap on and come up with a plan. First things first, we pluck. I'm not going to bleach the knots in this video either, just to show you guys that it is possible to have a cute and flawless style without bleaching the knots. Like I said in my last video, which you should go check that out. Some knots I will bleach and some I won't. Overall, bleaching the knots is not completely necessary. Just with certain styles, I think it's necessary. I have a plucking video and I'll attach that link below as well. Just keep plucking until you get your desired results. Next up, we're going to put the wig back on our head, get some BioSilk oil, smooth it down, and we're going to hot comb the roots. We're going to hot comb the roots to start to form the hairstyle that we're going to do. The hairstyle that I'm going to do is going to be a little bun at the top of the head. All of my day one subbies, comment below and say day one. If you've been subscribing to my channel from day one, you know what this product is. If you're new here, I advise for you to go down to the bottom of my channel and start from the bottom and work your way up. This product gives me the most flawless installs ever. Bleaching the knots is always your choice, and bleaching the knots is always my client's choice. I just prefer not to bleach the knots just because it's not completely necessary. Once I've added my tint cream, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. Once I've gotten my hair in a ponytail, I'm going to cut the lace off. Now, I'm going to let you be the judge. Let me know if you think bleaching the knots is necessary. Because to me, this looks cute and flawless. No knots bleached. And I'm just going to use the comb that the wig came with, stick it under my braids, and proceed with cutting the lace off. Since this is going to be a glueless install that I'm not going to keep for a long time, we're just going to use the Gots to Be spray. I'm going to spray it directly on the hairline, use a blow dryer, and smush the lace down as if it was glue. Now I'm going to start to form my bun. Right now I'm teasing the hair. I'm teasing the hair because if I was just to wrap the hair around, it would be very, very thin. You're going to have to play with it, tease it a little bit, wrap it, see how it looks. Try it again. Tease it more, wrap it. Once you get it how you actually want it, you can start to pin it down, which is what I'm doing now. This does not have to be super, super neat. This is like a messy little ninja type bun. Okay, here we go. This is the look that I was going for. The wig is already straight. I'm just going to press it out a little bit more so it can be bone straight. This wig comb that I'm using for the 1,000th billionth time, this came with one of my old flat irons that I purchased over 4 years ago. However, you can type in on Google flat iron comb and it should pop up. They sell these at beauty supply stores, they sell them on Amazon, they sell them at Sally's, they sell them at a lot of places. Just have to look for it. It's very cheap as well. Now that the style is complete, I'm just gonna soak up the moment of how you turned this wig into a little masterpiece. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. And see you next time. As always. This is how the wig looked when I removed it. You can always go back and reapply it. It's really, really easy to reapply a wig after the lace has been cut. I also have a video on that. I really, really encourage you guys to binge watch my videos. It's so much great information inside of them.